What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Now, a company called Syncwire reached out to me and were kind enough to send out these products right here. We've got a special one at the back that's nothing to do with this, but I will talk about it at the very end. All the products you see here will be listed in the description down below for you guys to check out. But without any further ado, let's jump into the Syncwire protective case and the tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's move everything off to the side and let's start with the protective case first. We do have a little bit of tape on the side right here. Scratch resistant shell with great tactility. Impact cushion technology. Compatible with wireless charging. Responsive and friendly customer service. Open up the box and let's slide out the case. Okay, so in the packaging, activate your warranty now. Nice Syncwire business card right there. User guide for your protective case. File that in the bin, as we don't need that. Let's take that out. You get a wet wipe and a little tiny microfiber cloth. Nice touch, but at the end of the day, you know, it is only a case. So a nice clear protective case. If we grab hold of the iPhone and we slide it in like so, obviously activated city, and there it is, the protective case by Syncwire. Does look really good. I do like that. Cut out on the bottom, you've got a raised edge on the back here, which is for drop protection. It does cover the front screen so you can lay it down flat. Volume rocker, cut out for your toggle switch and your power button on this side. It does look really good. I do actually quite like that. I've been looking for a nice clear case for some time and that does look really good. Now let's take a look at the screen protectors. Now this box is really thick, protective and durable, scratch resistant, ultra clear and high sensitivity. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got. Pull this out. There's that. You get a tray to go around the phone, fitting, which is a nice touch. I like when companies do that. Installation tools, another warranty card. Okay, let's throw that to one side. Okay, so you get your warranty card like you did to the case. Let's throw that to one side. You get your installation guide right there. You've got a little envelope with installation tools on it, so we'll take a look at that in a second. You get your case that goes around the edge of the phone for easy fitting. I'm assuming in this packet right here is your screen protectors. So let's, as I said, everything will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you head over and check this out. Oh, looks like they've sent the privacy screen ones. Oh, this should be good. So let's take a look at what you get in the installation tools pack. If the bubbles are caused by dust on the screen, gently lift the screen protector a bit, use the dust sticker to remove the specks of dust and reapply the screen protector. If they're not caused by dust, just use the edge of a credit card to gently push the bubble towards your nearest edge. If something went wrong, you need help, there's his contact information right there for Syncwire. Let's see what you get inside the pack. This is really well laid out. You get your dust removal stickers. You get 3 wet wipes, a small microfiber, and 3 lots of dust absorber sheets. So let's take the case off, let's take the original screen protector off, and let's see how easy it is to fit one of these. So I've already went and made a little tiny start on things. Up you grab your wet wipes. Now normally, as you guys know, I do tend to use the Zeiss wipes. I'm going to keep this original for the video. A lot of people saying, well, you're using your own Zeiss wipes, so okay, we'll use the company's ones, we'll see how good they are. Okay, so that smells very good, but never mind, let's give it a wipe over, take all the residue off from the Caseology one. So that's that done. With the wet wipe, you then grab your lint-free microfiber cloth and you give it a good thorough wipe, making sure you get all the excess water. Next up, you take your dust absorber sticker, peel that off the backing like so. Obviously the way that I normally do it is I fold it between my thumb and my middle finger, dab the screen to make sure you're getting off all that excess dust and lint. Next up, you grab your tray that goes over the top of the phone. Try not to put any fingerprints on the phone, obviously, it goes without saying. Place that over the top like so. Next up, obviously, as it's been sat for a little bit, just grab yourself a little small dust sticker. See if you can see any other little tiny bits of speckles of dust. Next up, take one of your screen protectors and take it out of the packaging. So, there's that privacy glass. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to remove this backing tab right here, so it peels off from the back like so. Reveals the sticky part that's going to go onto your phone, and then what you do is you place it inside like so, inside onto the edging, and then place it down And you can see all the air bubbles starting to move out now. Okay, so that is now fully fitted, not a single air bubble in that. It took a few seconds just to obviously remove them. But if we turn on the screen, as you can see, no real issue. Turn it to the side and as you can see it starts to go dark. So people from the side who are looking at your phone won't be able to see anything. Before we move on to the very end of the video, we'll take a look at what it looks like fitment wise and just how good it works. So if we unlock the screen like so, if I turn it that way, you can see the screen starting to go dark. If I turn it that way, you can see the screen also starting to go dark, as you can see. And then you bring it back to the middle, it looks just like normal. The screen is still super responsive, there's no issues whatsoever. So at the minute it's in the Syncwire crystal clear case. So just how good does it look? Everything's still super responsive. As you can see, tap the screen, wake it, still absolutely perfect. That's in the Syncwire case, so I'll show you it now in the Apple case. And there we go, there it is in Apple's leather case. No issues either side, no issues on the top and no issues on the bottom. Fits perfectly in any case you've got, even including probably the wraparound ones that go across the top and wrap around a bit further than this. I don't think you're going to have any real issues, to be honest. So fitment wise pretty much goes right up near enough to the edge all round, including the bottom piece right here, but doesn't seem to be any issues whatsoever when using a case. So I figured I'd show you just a little bit about what it looks like if someone was looking at it from the side. So say you had your phone down here, you were looking at it normally, so someone moved across to the side, that is basically what they're gonna see unless they move a bit further across. But as you can see, phone is still on, but that is literally what they're gonna see. It looks like a dark black screen. So there is the privacy screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the clear Syncwire case. If you've got anything like this, the S21, the S20 series, the Note 20 series that uses Samsung DeX, if we open this out and I'll show you what's inside the box. Now I've already used this just to try it out to see what it was like, and I can honestly say really cool. So your warranty card, that's gone, never mind. So there it is. So you get a USB-C end to HDMI end. So anything with a USB-C you can plug into your TV. You can plug this into your television, this into your S21 Ultra, and have Samsung DeX running. This is the 60-inch Sony Bravia, and I've got it connected to the S21 Ultra now. There's the Syncwire logo. This is now a touchpad, so if we do that you can see the mouse just moving about on screen. So we can go in, we can go to the Play Store, you can go to the internet and it will open up your last page. But of course you can also set this up with a mouse and a keyboard and use it that way. And there of course is a bunch of different apps that you can go through. Of course you can play games on this. Links in the description down below to where you can pick this cable up yourself. It's a lovely thick braided cable. It is quite long when you extend it out. That is really, really cool. As I say, links in the description down below to all this stuff you've seen right here. Thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it as always. Stick around guys, more videos to come, and I will see you all really soon. Take care everyone. See you soon.